Hello class, good afternoon. So for today I'm going to show you how to properly and how to easily animate your characters that were built using cutout techniques here in the Room Harmony. And so we have Frank here. So as you can see here, the entire rig was grouped into one single module. Ayan siya. So this what's inside my rig. So just you have to make sure that all your hierarchy are all working together. Okay, so just like what I told you last time, you have to make sure na meron tayong peg for the upper body and peg for the lower body. Again, I'm just pressing B and shift B to go up and down the hierarchy. So never use lasso on when selecting parts here in Harmony. And also another reminder, make sure that you are using transform tool, this button right here, this tool. So when selecting the layers, never use this when selecting because this selection tools are only used when you're creating your drawings. So always use transform tool. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so first off, when you start animating your character, teka, bago mo na yun, let's talk about first how to store it inside the library. Sige, mag-open ako ng library. Yan. So para mas madali, what I'm gonna do here is create a folder inside my computer. Okay, gagawa ako ng folder ko here in my library. This one. Okay, let's try it. So let's see if I can zoom it in. Ay, ayaw niya. Anyway. So, first, open your library. Then I'm going to create a new folder. So you can just right-click here in this area. Yan siya. Right-click lang. Then choose Open Library. When you choose Open Library, it will ask you kung saan in directory. So what I'm gonna do, I have multiple disks here. So I'm just going to put it in either of which. Yan. And let's say, lagi ko sa UMAC. Then yan. Gagawa ko ng folder dito. I'm going to call it assets or let's say characters. Lagyan natin characters. Or let's say character rigs. There you go. Just click OK. Then select folder. And by doing so, you should be able to see now the folder available in your library. Ito na siya. Okay? So ang goal natin dito is to put our rig inside that newly created folder. Okay? So right now it's not yet possible since as you can see here, yung folder natin is still locked. Ayan siya. May parang lock icon dyan. So the first thing that you need to do is just to select it, right click, then choose write to modify. By choosing write to modify, you are unlocking the folder. Okay? So after that, we can now simply select the entire rig. Ayan siya. I'm going to select it. It's just simple copy and paste. Control C to copy. Then just go here in this empty area. Control V to paste. And it will automatically create a TPL file. So TPL stands for template. Ayan. Ayan. So as you can see here, we have saved this rig inside that library. So just to show you how it looks like, let's see the thumbnail. Let's see if we can load it. Load natin. Just double click it. Yan. So when generating thumbnails, it's very normal that it will take time to load. Ayan siya. So I have here the rig. Okay? So siya ngayon yung gagamitin natin when creating our scenes here in Harmony. Okay? So it is imperative or it's always best if we can create our own library. So for example, you have multiple characters in your story or in your project. Mas magandang lahat sila nasa isang folder lang so that everything is accessible. And also, if you have done building this library right here, you can just duplicate it and share it with your group mates. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Yeah. So let me just open the folder I have created a while ago. Yeah. So I have created the folder here, character rigs. Ayun siya. So nito yung folder na yun. So what I can do is just get this entire folder, itong character rigs ito. I can zip it, then just send this or duplicate this so that your other group mates will be able to use it in their own computers. Okay? So for example, nabigyan nyo na sa mga group mates nyo yung character rig. So for example, wala pa siya dito. So paano siya ngayon ilo-load? So first, kung naka-zip file yung buong yung character folder, make sure to unzip it first. Okay? Then from there, we are going to open the library or we are going to open the folder using the library. So again, right click, open library, then hanapin nyo lang yung kung nasaan yung folder na yon. In my case, it's character rigs. I'm going to open it, then select folder, and that's it. Automatically, pag na-detect niya na meron mga TPL files inside, it will show you all the template files or all the character rigs inside. Ayan siya. Okay, so that's how you save the files. Okay, so let's try to use it. So gagawa ako ng bagong file. Let's call it test scene 1. There you go. So I have here a blank scene. So as you can see here, nakikita dito yung accessible yung character rigs folder na ginawa ko kanina. So what I can do or what I need to do is just to select it and simply get the template here. Let's just click and drag. Click, drag. You can either drag it here in your node view or in here in your camera view. Ang problema lang kapag sa node view kayo nag-drag, you need to manually connect it to a composite para mag-display siya. And there you have it. So that's how you use your library to create your own database of your characters in your assets.